Hello students and my dear friends, I am Kavita Jain. You are most welcome on Hitarthi classes. In this channel, we are solving the 10th class sample papers for board exam preparation. Okay. So in the previous video, I solved the question number 1, 6 parts, and today we will solve the remaining parts of question number 1, which questions are related to MCQ questions. Okay. So now come on the board. In the seventh part is the question, the value of 2 sin 45 cos 45 will be what? So, 2 multiply. The value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 and the value of cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. So, when you solve this calculation, 2 multiply by 1 upon root 2 multiply by root 2 means 2. 2 will be cancelled by 2. So, value of this number will be 1. Okay. So what will be the answer of this? 1. Now look the next question. Next question is, how many tangents can a circle have? एक टेंजेंट जो सर्कल होता है उसकी टेंजेंट्स कितनी होती है? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लर्न व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय टेंजेंट. ओके. सो व्हेन यू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल एंड टेक अ पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल and draw the line passing through this point, this line is called the tangent. Okay. मतलब कि आप एक सर्कल की सर्कमफेरेंस पर कोई पॉइंट कंसीडर करते हैं और उस पॉइंट से पास होने वाली जो लाइन होती है उसी को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? टेंजेंट बोलते हैं. अब ऐसे आप कितनी टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर सकते हो? जितने पॉइंट सर्कल की सर्कमफेरेंस पर होते हैं. तो कितने पॉइंट सर्कल की सर्कमफेरेंस पर आप बना सकते हो? देयर आर इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स. मीन्स आप इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स आप इस पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. इसका मतलब आप इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टेंजेंट्स आप क्या कर सकते हो? यहाँ पर बना सकते हो. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8? इनफाइनाइट. नाउ लुक द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, विच one of the formula to find area of circle. So everybody know about it. What is the area of circle? Pi r square. So everybody know. I think no need to explain it. And next question is what? If the height of cylinder is 11 centimeter and its curved surface area is 968 centimeter square, then the radius of cylinder will be what? So first of all you have to know what is the curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay, is equals to how much given? 968 centimeter square. Now you will solve this calculation. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and r you have to find and h is equals to 11. 968 and you will find the value of r. 968 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiply 22 multiply 11. Okay, solve it now. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8. Divide it by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44 and 11 4 ja 44. You will cancel it. 22 1 ja 22 and 22 2 ja 44. So you will multiply now. 2 multiplied by 7 you will get 14. So what will be the answer of this question? 14. Now look the next question. Next question is what? Mode of distribution of 7 4 5 3 4 3 4 1 2 means some observation is given to you and you have to find this type of number, this numbers. Okay, so which observation is repeating many of the time? सबसे ज्यादा बार कौन सा ऑब्जर्वेशन रिपीट हो रहा है? तो वो हो रहा है आपका 4. 4 इज कमिंग हियर 1 2 3. 3 टाइम्स आपका 4 रिपीट हो रहा है. 3 आपका 2 टाइम्स है. 5 1 टाइम्स है. 7 1 टाइम है. 1 भी 1 टाइम और 2 भी 1 टाइम है. मीन्स सबसे ज्यादा बार कौन सा ऑब्जर्वेशन रिपीट हो रहा है यहाँ पर? 4. सो 4 विल बी मोड ऑफ गिवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 4. एंड लास्ट part of the question number 1, a die is thrown once, then probability of getting a prime number. What do you mean by dice? Everybody show the dice in the Ludo game. Okay, so how many numbers represent on the dice? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and you have to find the probability of getting prime numbers. So how many prime numbers here? First prime number is 2, second is 3 and 4 is 5. So how many prime numbers here? 3. And total numbers are 6. So 3 upon 6 means 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 will be the probability of getting prime numbers. So 1 upon 2 will be the answer. Everybody remember this, 1 is not prime number and not composite number. मीन्स आपका 1 जो है ना तो प्राइम नंबर है नहीं कंपोजिट नंबर है. ओके, everybody remember this point. Okay, so enough in this video. If you learn something by this video, please like this video, and if you are on this channel first time, please subscribe this channel also. Thank you.